Every picture tells a story, calling you to explore it. World with you, through the lens of Ravindra Kumar Gupta, RKG. The Jal Mahal Palace, according to its name, is a fabulous palace which is floating on water, on the middle of the Man Sagar Lake in the Jaipur city. One of the elaborate and fanciful architectural wonders in Jaipur, Hawa Mahal, designed as a beehive castle with small windows, has a height of 50 feet from its base, constructed of red and pink sandstone. Historical Amer Fort is the best tourist attraction of Jaipur, and the sprawling complex combines both immense fortifications with unexpected beauty and charm. The fort dates back to the 16th century and is situated on a natural ridge 11 kilometers north of Jaipur. With its large ramparts and series of gates and cobbled paths, the fort overlooks Mota Lake. Amer Fort consists of the Diwani Aam, or Hall of Public Audience, the Diwani Khas, or Hall of Private Audience, the Sheesh Mahal, Mirror Palace, or Jai Mandir, and the Sukh Niwas, where a cool climate is artificially created by vines that blow over a water cascade within the palace. Hence, the Amer Fort is also popularly known as the Amer Palace. Spectacular sunset with stunning colors in Pink City, Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. An old lady sitting idle on bench draped in a beautiful traditional Rajasthani dress in Pink City, Jaipur. The local man in Jaipur playing instrument with traditional dress and also wearing turban or pagdi of bandage. The people of Rajasthan have loyalty, affection and compassion, and always cheerful and simple. Picturesque Silisera Lake is a beautiful lake in charming backdrops of Aravali Hills. A beautiful lake palace was also built by Maharaja Vinay Singh for his beloved wife Shila. Spread over 7 sq km area, it is located near Alwar, Rajasthan, around 110 km from Jaipur. Amer Fort, located high on a hill, it is the principal tourist attraction in Jaipur. Amer Fort is a fort located in Amer, Rajasthan, India, around 11 km from Jaipur. Mughal architecture greatly influenced the architectural style of several buildings of the fort. Beautiful view with flock of pigeons, stunning sunset and Jaigarh Fort in the background in Amer, Rajasthan. Sheesh Mahal, also known as Mirror Palace, is a magnificent piece of architecture built with beautiful precious stones and glass and with beautiful handmade paintings. Sheesh Mahal is the most popular and beautiful part of Amer Fort. It is situated in Amer, Rajasthan. Amer Palace, along with Jaigarh Fort, is located immediately above on the Chil Ka Tila, Hill of Eagles, of the same Aravali range of hills near Jaipur. An amazing picture of relaxing monkey with a long tail enjoying the view of the Amer Fort. Monkeys have a brain that is large for their size, and it is part of the reason why they are so intelligent.